Hello friends. Welcome to the Tech Arambham. Today, we are looking at two major players in web development, Angular versus React. Even though they both help build modern applications, they are fundamentally different. Think of it like this. Angular is a full-fledged framework. It's the Swiss Army knife, everything is included, it's a complete system. React is a JavaScript library. It's like a box of Lego, it's flexible, and you choose all the extra pieces you need to build what you want. First, let's talk about Angular. Angular is a framework built mainly with TypeScript. It gives you a strict, organized structure right from the beginning. Angular is the proven choice for large-scale enterprise applications. Look at these examples: a complex hospital management system, a detailed banking dashboard, or any large corporate project. Angular provides the stability and structure needed for massive projects where long-term maintenance is critical. If your main goals are stability and scale, and your team is comfortable with that organized enterprise structure, Angular is the clear winner. React Flexible JavaScript Library sparkles. Next, we have React. This is a powerful JavaScript library. It only focuses on building the user interface, which means what the user sees. It's very fast because it uses the virtual DOM for quick updates. Built for interactivity and speed, React is perfect for dynamic apps like a fast social media feed or an interactive dynamic dashboard. When you need a lot of changes on the screen quickly, React performs very well. React Component JavaScript. Because it's a library, React gives you freedom. You get to choose your own libraries for routing, for state management, and for everything else. It is truly built for interactivity and speed. Key differences sparkles. Now, the final takeaway. Angular is a framework, structured and all-in-one, but it has a steeper learning curve. React is a library, it's flexible and generally easier for JavaScript beginners, but you must select and integrate extra libraries to make a full application. Angular, structured, all-in-one solution. So, which should you choose? If you need structure, stability, and scale, go with Angular. If you need flexibility, rapid development, and high interactivity, start with React. React Flexible, easier for JavaScript beginners. Friends, I want to hear from you. Comment below, which one will you choose for your next project, Angular or React? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials.